All right, I'm gonna taste test my sweet potato pancakes. If you want to know that recipe, ask me how. That's good. It was smart to do the marshmallows that way. See a little bit of sweet potato. Hit there and there. I season my eggs. To get decent bacon, what I do is when I first put the bacon in the pan, I put water in the pan. Then that way I know it's cooked through. And then once it starts searing on one side, that's when I flip it. I usually keep the bacon more in its size and won't shrink as much. Okay, my pineapple sauce, aka pineapple applesauce. Tastes like applesauce. Like a pineapple, like it has applesauce texture. That's good. And I put a little bit of that, like I had the green seasoning left over in the container, and I was like, I'm not about to waste it. So I just threw some pineapples and lime juice in there, blending it down, and you can taste like the sweetness of the pineapple, the tartness of the lime, and then like that kick of herb from the thyme and the cilantro and the parsley, and then like it hit right there, that Scotch bonnet pepper. But it's like a hint. It's not like spicy. It's actually pretty healthy. So, chef's kiss. All this is a party in my mouth, and it's all invited.